every cook should have a set of Silpat mats. Now, these are the perfect size for a standard baking pan. And all you do is, before cooking, you put it on your pan, add whatever you want to cook it up. It'll come off smoothly and beautifully every time. Even with some golden edges, it will not stick to the Silpat mat. And then this itself, it's just silicone and it washes very easily. We usually stick it in the dishwasher and just tip them over like this and stick them over a couple spots where the plates would be, and it will wash it just fine. They are a little slow to dry. I usually take them out and will dry them myself afterwards, but very easy to clean, very, very durable. We've had these now for at least 5 years. I'm sure it's longer than that, and I don't see us needing to replace them anytime soon. They are very high quality, excellent. I use them all the time. And yes, the set comes with 2, which is great because I often am cooking on 2 pans. And even if I'm not, it's always nice to have another one around. And I also love these corners because it makes it easy to pull it up. Velesco Silpat, solid.